香港人，香港 slang.
When you hear people keep talking and talking, giving orders that make no sense, you just want to roll your eye. And in Cantonese we will say 反眼. An example sentence: There is just too much bullshit. I can't stop rolling my eyes. 聽廢話聽到反晒眼。聽 means listen or hear. 廢話 means bullshit. 聽到 means listen or hear too much. 反晒眼 means roll your eye hard. For some extreme case, you'd want to say, I rolled my eyes so hard, I think I saw my brain. In Cantonese, you simply say, 反眼反到見到後腦啊。反到 means rolling to an extreme. 見到 means you can see. 後腦 means the back of your brain. And that's it for today. Bye bye. If you enjoyed this video, click like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.